How to solve x times x times x plus x is equal to 30. Find the all values of x. So, we have x times x, that means it will be x power 3 plus x, then is equal to 30. Now, we can write here x power 3 plus x, then plus 30 take to the left side. So, this will be minus 30, then is equal to 0. Now, we can write here x power 3 plus x, then minus 30 is same as minus 27 minus 3. How to understand this? Pay attention here. The nearest cubic number of 30 is 27. So, we can write here minus 30 is same as minus 27 minus 3, then is equal to 0. Now, we have x power 3 plus x, then minus 27 is same as minus 3 power 3, then minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, we can write here x power 3 minus 3 power 3, then plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, here we can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Here a is as x, b is as 3. So, according to formula you can write here x minus 3 times x square plus x times 3 plus 3 square, then bracket close. Now, from here we take common, here plus 1 is common. So, plus 1 is out of the bracket, this divided by this, that means x, then minus 3 divided by plus 1, that means it will be minus 3, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now, we see x minus 3, both term is same. So, bracket x minus 3 is common. So, bracket x minus 3 is out of the bracket, this divided by this, that means x minus 3 will be cancelled. So, here x square plus x times 3, that means it will be 3x plus 3 square, that means 9, then plus this divided by this, that means x minus 3 will be cancelled. So, here 1, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now, we can write here x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x square plus 3x and then plus 9 plus 1, that means it will be plus 10, then is equal to 0. Now, we can write here x is equal to minus 3, take to the right side. So, this will be plus 3. So, x is equal to 3, or from here we can apply quadratic formula. So, we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Now, here a is as 1, b is as 3, c is as 10. So, x will be equal to minus b, that means 3, plus or minus a square root of b square, that means 3 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means 10, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now, we can write here x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square, that means 9, then minus 4 times 1 times 10, that means it will be 40, then divided by 2 times 1, that means it will be 2. Now I can write here x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 40, that means it will be minus 31, then divided by 2. Now I can write here x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 31 is same as square root of 31 times square root of negative 1, then divided by 2. Now we can write here x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31 times square root of negative 1, that means imaginary, then divided by 2. Now we see here two cases. So, you can write here x is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 31 imaginary, then divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 31 imaginary, then divided by 2. So, our final answer will be x on is equal to 3. This is the real value of x. Then x 2 is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 31 imaginary divided by 2. Then x 3 is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 31 imaginary divided by 2. So, these values are the imaginary values of x, but x 1 is equal to 3, this is the real value of x. So, these are the all values of x. So, this is our final answer. So, our final answer will be x 1 is